What if I told you you only have 10 minutes to create a video game? No planning, no assets, just me, GameMaker, and a timer. Is this even possible? Let's find out. Welcome to this 10-minute game challenge. The rules are simple. I have exactly 10 minutes to design, code, and finish a playable game prototype. No exceptions and no extensions. Will I create something playable? There is only one way to find out. Alright, here is my game concept, Flappy Bat. You are playing as a bat, like Flappy Bird, but bat. If you fall down, there is lava. If you fly too high, there is also lava. Well, apparently this bat lives in the worst cave ever. And there are spikes. They are covered with garlic, so you, as a bat vampire, absolutely terrified of them. It is an endless runner, and every mistake means game over and game simply restarts. Well, seems simple, but can I actually build it in 10 minutes? Okay, let me set this timer on my phone. 10 minutes. Here we go. Start. GameMaker, new project. 10 minutes and go. First things first, I need to create a room. 640 to 480 pixels should work. Create object lava, create sprite for lava. It will be just a simple square. Now I'm placing lava in my room. This is lava, this is lava. Come on, there must be a better way to do this. Well, there is a better way, I'm just being silly. Lava, lava, okay. Moving on. Next object is the bat. Create new sprite, edit image. You know, all bats are yellow, right? Super realistic. That is my bat. It is almost awesome. Now I need to make my bat to fall down. I create a step event, and in each step I subtract x minus something. Come on, that should not be x, that should be y. Okay, y equals plus 0.1. Well, no. No, wait, add it, subtract it. Now it works. Game restarts when we hit the lava. So I add a collision event with lava object, room restart, works. Now for the space bar handler. Whenever I press space, I need to fly up. Add event, key press space, I need to add velocity. Can I jump? There is typo somewhere. Can I jump? 3 minutes. I can't jump. It's not working because there is nothing happening in the step event. Jump velocity equals 20. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yes, I can jump. Awesome. Now let's create an obstacle. Object, don't care what we call it. Sprite, don't care about the name either. Size, edit image, huge spike. Awesome. Advanced graphic. Assign the sprite to the object. And there is a huge spike in the room. Perfect. I need to fly over it. So this spike needs to move in the spike object step event. X equals x minus 5. If x is less than minus 10, then x equals 750. It will jump back to the right of the screen. Endless runner logic. Now collision detection with the spike. Collision with the bat. Room restart. Ooh, I've got it working running. Well, sort of. How much time do I have? 30 seconds. Create object. What I'm doing? I can't do it on time, but, well, yes, it is still almost complete. Almost completed. It could be better, but anyways, even this result in 10 minutes is super cool. Honestly, I wasn't sure it was even possible, and I definitely could have done it better. But you know what? It actually works. I got a bat, I got lava, and I got spikes, and everything moves and collides and kind of work. What do you think? Could you make a better game in 10 minutes? Let me know in the comments. It was Test Encoder. See you around!